Hello and welcome back to Liberty Herbs. Today I'd like to share with you some natural home remedies for cough. Our first remedy is mullein leaf tea. It's taken 2 to 4 times daily. Mullein leaves are soothing to the lungs and help to loosen mucus. This remedy is particularly helpful for dry coughs. Our second remedy is plantain tea or tincture. Now this is the plant that grows in your lawn or garden and not the fruit. It's taken 1 to 4 times daily for both the tea or the tincture. Plantain is particularly good at drawing sticky phlegm out of the lungs. Our third remedy is an essential oil cough syrup. This can be taken as needed. To make this syrup, you're simply going to add 1 drop of lemon, eucalyptus, peppermint, and thyme oil to 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey has antibacterial properties and is also very soothing to the throat. It reduces inflammation and pain. Lemon essential oil encourages lymphatic drainage and boosts the immune system. Eucalyptus essential oil has been shown to cleanse the body of toxins and harmful microorganisms. Peppermint essential oil can help to open the airways and relieve the pain associated with the sore throat that oftentimes accompanies a cough. Thyme essential oil helps to thin mucus and supports the immune system. Thank you for watching, and please visit us at libertyherbs.net. If you found some value in this video, please help us out by hitting the like button, subscribing, and sharing this video with your friends.